tough little nation.
We going survive
Economic moderation
so let us all join in together
to come out of crisis we're in.
with struggle, sacrifice and discipline. We going fight
Imperialism
with hard work and patriotism. We will
forward with socialism.
Tractors in need with an oil. Plenty things we make back while come to us from faraway land. Plenty of we money go to foreign hand. Every day the price is soar and we are always paying more. We grow products like we sugar, banana, citrus, even ginger that we sell to get some money. It never really brings us enough money. All the time they pay low prices. That's why we are in this crisis. We are a tough
Little nation,
we going survive
economic moderation.
so let us all
Join in together to come out of crisis we're in.
with struggle, sacrifice and discipline. We going fight
Imperialism
with hard work and patriotism. We will
forward with socialism.
violence, sabotage and foreign press help us to get in this mess. Men take millions and them run away as if we money go astray. One day we gonna right that wrong. We know say socialism strong. Rain a fall but dirt still tough. Talking words is not enough. All of us must now unite. Buckle down, hold on tight. Make we bind we belly with discipline and produce more agriculture pay. We are a tough
Little nation,
we going survive
economic moderation.
so let us all
Join in together to come out of crisis we're in.
with struggle, sacrifice and discipline. We going fight